We used to have each other's playlists. No, no, used to be each other's best friends. Yeah, and now we go our separate pathways, but your heart's still in mine. Yeah, and maybe we could try it next week again, but I don't wanna think we're toxic, but who cares? You said that we're over.
I left our names written in the sand. I didn't know that they would wash away so fast, and that note I left in your bed. You don't have to lie to me, I know it wasn't red. I left our names written in my heart. I didn't see that we were living worlds apart. I should have known from the start that getting love from you, it shouldn't be that hard. But baby, when I close my eyes, everything's alright. You love me too, the way I love you. It was all in my head, and I wish that was true. Since you last called, I'm such a I've been around, but I can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside. But now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time. I've been around, no one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you every single day. I've always wondered what it
cactus.
waiting to hear
Yeah.
a word back from you.
Ajak ka na.
Conversation in my head got me conflicted with
Bye.
what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like, so much. Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the cold. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Just delaying and replaying that look upon your face. Your laugh is contagious, never ages, always seems to make my day. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself, like, too much. Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you feel the same. Wondering if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Oh, if I could have you, I would float and touch the moon.
Know that when I'm with you, there's nothing we can't do. Cause I think that I've been falling. Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I